Critical update for Luna. This is London. Let's talk about the most massively bullish pattern, honestly, guys, that I can find in the markets right now in the crypto market. This is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. Huge inverse head and shoulders. Let's talk about the measured move to the upside really quickly. You guys know our price target during the retracement, $4.60. Guys, $4.60 in 2021. Very nice. Currently priced at $98.58. Huge returns. Congrats to anyone who hit my target. Lowest target in the market for Luna on that retrace 2021. 50% move incoming potentially is the measured target up from the inverse head and shoulders. Guys, very important. About to 140, let's say 142 to $143. We're going to talk about one warning in terms of a bearish feature we're currently involved in. First of all, would appreciate if you guys would hit the like button, would share and subscribe. Very important for me. Not financial advice. You guys know, former financial professional, Duke University, Harvard Business School, certified in markets, but get your own financial advice, guys. This is crypto. We like to trade. So in terms of the entirety of this move, it could be mitigated by, we've broken through this neckline. You guys know the pivot between the left shoulder, the right shoulder, and the head formation. And guys, it's not a problem that we have a dual head formation here. That's not a deal breaker in terms of TA. The fundamentals of TA allow for such in terms of the recognition of an inverse head and shoulder. Very bullish reversal feature, okay? So we would expect that to not be an issue here, but this neckline needs to be broken. We have broken out of that neckline. Are currently trying on the 4-hourly to just confirm and maintain price above. Looks like we're getting into some bullish patterning right now. I would definitely, guys, as they always say, buy at support, sell at resistance, trade your patterns. And guys, hit your targets. Those targets will include those targets that was just measured to the upside on that inverse head and shoulder. So looking at the warning feature of this video, I want to go over just the details that we are currently in a constricting rising wedge. These are bearish by design. Be aware of the fact that these are bearish by design. Also be aware of the fact that Luna loves to beat these. Without a doubt, Luna loves to lay waste to the bears on rising wedges. So that's just a fact. As to whether or not it can this time, I was going to say that Luna has a good habit amongst the people who try and short it of making them get out with just a little bit of cash. I'll say that. I've shorted before, and it's just been, well, we made some money, but it wasn't it was nothing as big as, they say, $4.60 to currently up at about just around $100. It's just you've been paid well to be long on Luna. So we bring this cautionary pattern up for the reason of just a kind of a notification to the market. It is technically bearish. We would like to operate what would be ideal. Just to let you know, as we were to extend this line of resistance, this line of support, we would love to see it operate in and up through, let's just talk about this, in and up through this line of resistance. The ideal would be if we were to talk about what we'd love to see happen while we still respect this rising wedge. If we could get up through this level of resistance, if I can just raise this just a bit here, level of resistance through here, you could still hit your target operating up and above. It would have to get very aggressive in terms of the price action. You'd have to see some really high velocity. You're about to turn green, very close, guys, on Luna on a day in the markets where Bitcoin's down quite a bit. Bitcoin's down about 6.5%. Yeah, for Luna to turn green right now, you're just down 0.2%. So it could become aggressive. I want you guys just to be aware of one thing as you gauge your entry and your participation. It should become obvious. I'm going to say this: if we're going to make a 50% move, guys, it should become obvious that we have something propelling us forward. Buyers really stepping into the market. If you are going to be, riding a lower entry or position from this original bull flag around that 50% retracement, and you're still involved, congratulations. If you're looking for a new entry, I'll just say this: don't be overexposed. And always, guys, just as we say, very easily denoted to the VIP. That's our top level of membership. We invite you, if you trade, we invite you to join our VIP in 2022. And Luna's just gone positive. Very important. We have the buyers also looking at this level of resistance, flat top resistance on the specific 4-hourly chart. So do be aware that there are some different lines of resistance. If you're getting a new position, I would just say this: buy at support, sell at resistance. trade your patterns. Inverse head and shoulders is a pattern, guys, so you have some leeway there. Just make sure that you're not tucked right into a square level of resistance to where your position will become immediately difficult to maintain. I don't want you to get involved in a position where you have, let's say, the odds are that it would immediately move against you. So a lot of the VIP, and I know some of your subscribers are currently sitting in a Luna 3L or a leverage position on Luna. Congratulations to you. Looks like we may have some additional price action coming your way. This feature here, I'd like to see it develop, honestly, a little bit more. And pushing sideways here in a bullish pattern would not be a bad thing. I'm just going to let you know. Just remember that I said that it would not be a bad thing. If it wants to get out and up in kind of a hurried fashion, that would be fine as well. We're happy to see more positive price action, having brought that low target to the community, to you guys, live in a stream, guys, in terms of that $4.60. Let's see what Luna can do. Wanted to make sure that you, as subscribers and as VIP and base campers, guys, that you had the first goods on Luna, green now and a red day. So let's talk about more and this, guys. Make sure those alerts are on. We'll have a live stream later on today. This is London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike.